Hello everyone, I'm ANIMESH PRADHAN. I secured All India Rank 2 in UPSC Civil Services Examination 2023. Probably the one thing that I would like to change about my preparation as compared to last year would be taking up CSAT in a more structured way. So whoever is watching this, my message for CSAT would be that it's extremely equally important as compared to GS, because no matter how many notes you would make, how many optional classes, how many test series you would take, if you do not qualify CSAT, everything goes into vain. So if you have resources, take up a structured paid course, which is something that I had planned. I'm very fortunate that I would not have to appear the prelims again, but if I were to appear, then I would have taken a structured paid module of CSAT, because we spend a lot of resources in the preparation, and CSAT deserves its own due concentration and due importance as well. You can refer to any paid course I have encountered with Rishi sir's courses. I have seen his YouTube playlist as well. Amazing content, and a lot of people have put forward their testimonials where they have benefited in the 2023 paper as well. You can surely check that out and get the most out of it. Thank you.